Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportBikeTrackYou.com, and today we're going to do a review on the all-new Alpinestars Sp-1 V2 short riding boots. The Alpinestars Sp-1 V2 shoes retail for $199 as of the time we're shooting this video. Please understand, we don't update videos for pricing changes, only when the product itself has been completely redesigned. This video is a request. I answer all the YouTube comments myself, and I gotta tell you, some days that's a real task. A user on there said, hey man, can you do a review on the Sp-1 V2? So I ordered a setup in my size so I could wear them in here to benchmark the sizing, and here we are doing the video right now. On the topic of sizing, I wear a 12 US in most common shoes out there. My feet probably lean just a little bit to the wide side. This is a size 46.0. The conversion here on the inner tongue is an 11.5 US. These fit me well. I wore them long enough here in my studio office area to get a good feel for how they fit. They were comfortable to wear, comfortable to walk in. In terms of the width of the shoe, I would say these are going to be average width, but they also seem to accommodate a little bit wider foot without any real issue. Okay, so if your feet are overly narrow, this might not be the right choice for you, but average and above, I think you're going to get a good, comfortable, true to size style fit. The shoe itself is a little taller, right? So it's about let's get this about a 3/4 almost. It rises up over your ankle, but then they have a little relief here at the back. That keeps the walking comfort high, the wearable comfort high, but still gives you that impact and abrasion protection that we all want while we're riding on the bike. Other important safety features built into this are going to be the reinforced toe box. You can see that there. Race style heel cup. There is ankle armor that's built in. It's like a dual density disc. You can feel it on the inside and the outside of the ankle. It lives between the outer microfiber layer and the inner padded layer. Also really important with moto footwear is a crush-proof sole, okay? How do you tell if it's crush-proof or not? Grab it like this and just give it a push. I cannot fold that up. You do that with a tennis shoe, your tennis shoe is just gonna fold right in half. Why do they do that, you ask? Sometimes shit happens. Sometimes we crash the bike. If you crash and your foot happens to get pinched in between the tarmac and the bike, some of the bikes are pretty heavy, right? Like so, if that sole allows it to just be crushed, right, that is a pretty devastating foot injury. Nobody wants that. So all your moto footwear should have a crush-proof sole. They've also designed this for walking comfort as well as traction. This shoe is available in two models. There's a vented version that we're showing you here right now, as well as a non-vented version. This one is going to flow a ton of air. It's really going to work to keep the rider cool. So if you like to be cool when you're riding, go for the vented ones. If you prefer to, so you're going to use it in the cooler climate, whatever, you don't want the airflow, then you're going to want to go non-vented. Tons of perforation, right, all over the shoe. There's a little vent down here too. Entry and exit. We have a Velcro closure and adjustment here at the top. They have a cool little embossed Alpinestars logo. That actually looks pretty trick. Speed lace system right here. And what they've done with this is they've stitched on a nice little Velcro patch. This allows you to tidy these laces up and really kind of hide them. What I found is when I had them on, just fold them up maybe a little bit like so, takes just a second, and they get pinched in there and they become almost invisible, right? So it looks pretty cool. Speed lace, so to release, basically you're just pulling on that tab like so, right? Allows it to open right up. Easy in, easy out, lots of padding on the inside for wearable comfort. The insole is removable, and you can see this was even designed to keep your foot cool, comfortable, and dry. See all the channels and all the holes here on the top? That just encourages airflow in the lowest point of the boot, which really helps to keep you cool and comfortable. Microfiber outer. A lot of people look at boots and they think, yeah, those are leather boots. Leather doesn't really work well for boots. For that reason, all of the good boots, for the most part, are manufactured using a microfiber material that's very tear and abrasion resistant. Looks like leather, but it's not. Got kind of a little integrated TPR style toe slider here, right? That's just an accent. It's not really a full functioning piece, but all in all, this is a really cool piece of footwear. They're comfortable and they offer a good measure of protection. One thing I forgot to point out is we do have right back here a little reflective patch on the back of the boots. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself, even special requests.